Welcome to Mitchell's Plating. In this video, I am going to show you some chalices and other sacred vessels that we worked on that was involved in a fire. Mitchell's Plating is able to restore sacred vessels that were in a fire like these. In this particular one, you could see how bad smoke damage and burning the pieces took, but this is no match for Mitchell's Plating. In the next few minutes, I am going to explain to you everything that we did to restore these pieces. First, we removed a layer of metal off of each piece to come to a brand new surface of metal, which you could see I am focusing on doing on the inside of the cups. And then after that was done, we actually started cutting with a very abrasive cutter on our polishing wheel to get to a new surface of metal. Once that's done, we start with our high polish mirror finishes on the inside and outside, and then prepare them to take them to our 24 karat gold plating vats. Here we have another one of our polishers that is actually working on the bases. And as you can see carefully, he is taking his time to remove any imperfections or scratches out of the brass and sterling silver. So if your church was affected by a fire, Mitchell's Plating is able to restore them to look like brand new, as we see in this photo. For more information about Mitchell's Plating, please see us on the web at www.mitchellsplating.com or give us a call at 832-668-0394. God bless.